Let's take a look at the major anatomy of the chicken, beginning with the outside of the bird. First, the eyes. A chicken's daytime vision is exceptional. Like humans, chickens see red, green, and blue wavelengths, but they also see ultraviolet. Because they process color in 4 dimensions instead of 3, they see many more shades of color than we do. Chickens have a 300-degree field of vision, making their peripheral vision superior to humans and most other birds. Their 2 eyes work differently and have complementary functions. The right eye is effective for local recognition, such as finding food. The left eye is better equipped for depth perception. To focus on things that are at a distance, say a hawk or eagle, a chicken will use its left eye. To focus on an object, the eye uses what is called a fovea. Humans have 1, but chickens have 2, one for distance vision and one for close-up. It's like having built-in bifocals. When you see your chicken bob and turn their head slightly, it's because they're trying to focus on you using their close-up vision. Chickens have excellent motion sensing ability. They detect the smallest of movements, which is helpful for finding bugs in the grass. But they have poor night vision, so it's important that you give them extra protection from predators when they go to roost. They do have sensors in their legs and skin that detect vibration, which somewhat mitigates their lack of nighttime vision. The comb is the fleshy area on the crown of the head, and the wattles are the lobes of skin that hang on either side of the beak. There are various shapes and sizes of both across the many breeds of chicken. Both male and females have combs, but they're larger in males. Chickens do not sweat and need another way to release heat. The comb and wattles act a bit like the radiator in a car, releasing heat and helping cool the chicken during extremely high temperatures. The comb and wattles are also for sex appeal and have some influence on how attractive one bird sees another. Finally, the comb and wattles are an indicator of the chicken's overall health. On a healthy bird, they'll be brightly colored and free of blemish. As a chicken ages, the comb and wattles naturally fade in color. But keep an eye out for blemishes and sores, as these can be a sign of illness or disease. Chickens don't have teeth, but they do have a tongue. The tongue has tiny barbs that catch food and move it to the back of the mouth. Chickens have relatively few taste buds, and the ones they do have are at the back of the mouth, so they've pretty much already eaten something by the time they taste it. So when your girls develop a fancy for a certain treat, it's not because of taste. It's likely something about the color, smell, or texture that they like. Like all birds, chickens don't have an outer ear. They have small openings just behind the eye that lead to the inner ear and the eardrum. Below the ear openings are the lobes. The size, shape, and color of the earlobe differs among the various breeds and often gets larger with age. An interesting tidbit is the link between lobe color and egg color. If a hen has a white earlobe, she will lay white eggs, and if she has a red earlobe, she'll lay brown eggs. While this is not true for 100% of breeds, it is fairly accurate as a general rule.